right, I'm going to use the old Harbor Freight to torque these down 90 inch-pounds. It's got 3 at the bottom. I use this really long extension here. So I'm getting that. And so you got 3 at the bottom, and you got come through here. You got 2 in here. I'm just torquing them to 90 because normally when you do intake manifold and valve cover gaskets, they're between 80 and 95. So okay, so you got 3 at the bottom and 2 up the top. 2 up top. All right, I'm gonna stop it here.